Hey everyone, this is Estela with Heritage Real Estate, and today I want to talk about something that's going to be very important if buying a home is in your future plans. Um, there's some very interesting things going on currently that will affect not only the way buyers buy a home, but it will affect the entire real estate market. So, if you're interested in buying a home, if it's in your future, now is the time to start developing a game plan and getting really serious about making it happen because of these changes that are coming. So I'm going to be going over some information that was published on October 23rd of 23, just a few days ago. And this article was written by Emily Peck with Axios Marketing. There is currently a class action lawsuit that is between, well, the plaintiffs in this case are sellers of over 260,000 homes in the U.S. The issue at hand is sellers' payment to the buyer's agent of commission. So let me break it down a little bit because it's confusing. When you buy a home the way it is now, commission is paid from the seller's proceeds to their agent. The listing agent then splits the commission with the buyer's agent. There's a big misconception, and even some agents explain this incorrectly, and I wish they didn't, because I feel like it's one of the reasons that we're in this situation. But the seller's agent, the listing agent's commission is their commission. They can do with it as they please. If they decided to give 0% to the buyer's agent, then they're entitled to do that. Usually it's split in half because realtors understand the amount of work that goes into a transaction on both sides, whether you're on the listing side or the buying side. It's work. So usually agents will split it in half, and that is where the sellers are saying that they're paying the buyer's commission. Okay, following so far? So sellers want to change this. As a matter of fact, the Real Estate Board of New York has already implemented a change that starting January 1st of 2024, which is like 2 months away, it's very soon, the listing broker cannot pay the buyer's agent commission. What they're stating is that the sellers have to pay commission directly. It doesn't state if they have to pay the buyer's agent and the listing agent directly. It doesn't really state how it's going to happen. So I'm very curious to see how that's going to play out. But there are actually other states that are already talking about making the change because, once again, change is coming. So they're just trying to get ahead of the ball a little bit. So what does this mean for you as a buyer? If buying is in your plans for within the next year or two, now is the time to create a game plan, figure out what you need. Step one is take a look at your credit. Please don't rely on Credit Karma solely. Credit Karma can usually skew your score by at least 20 points, and that can make a big difference when determining if you qualify for a mortgage. One of the best things to do is going to be to talk to a lender. Lenders are a very, very great source because they can look at your situation as a whole. They can take a look at your income, your debt, your credit. They can look at everything and recommend either, hey, like by the time you're ready to buy a house, you need to have this account paid off, or you should have this much money saved, or they're a very, very good starting point, even if you don't feel like you're ready yet. If you need help on what lender to talk to, who to talk to about fixing your credit, please, please, please reach out to me. I will be happy to help you and direct you to a person that can help. I have resources that can help with any of that stuff. Please DM me, text me, call me, whatever you need to do. Just reach out. That way you can start getting a game plan together and getting the ball rolling on accomplishing your goal of becoming a homeowner. So again, I hope this information was helpful. If you guys have any questions or comments about what's going on, please feel free to reach out to me or comment on this post. Again, this is Estela with Heritage Real Estate, and I look forward to helping you make your real estate goals become a reality.